Hello everybody, I'm Corey Thompson and I'm the program director here at Jasper Ridge Farm. And we wanted to take you on a tour today of the farm and introduce you to our animals who have a job. Their job is they're therapy animals. So they go places where people can just hang out with them and pat them and feed them, and it makes people feel good because animals are awesome. So we're going to take you on a little tour, and I'll tell you a little bit about each animal as we go. Okay, we're going to start in the only air-conditioned space in the whole farm, the bunny room. And I will take the phone from there. So here we have Curry and Sesame. This is Sesame, and the brown one is Curry, and they like to sometimes share their parsley. They're sisters. And when we go on visits, we put them in a pen, a lot like they're in right now, a little bit smaller, and we have kids come and sit with them so that the bunnies can then sit on their laps. And you just, stroking a bunny is a very nice calming thing. They're so soft. And as you can see, they love parsley. They're being particularly cute about, they're doing like the thing from Lady and the Tramp. Eating the same thing at the same time. Oh, there you go. There's something so cute about a bunny chewing. Huh? Something so cute about it. And then, hi, pretty. And then they like to hide because they're prey animals, so they like to hide in their little box house or in their, we call it condominium here. We've closed the gate to their condo so that they'd hang outside so that you guys can see them. But they have a lot of places to go hang out and be peaceful and quiet. Okay, here you'll see my marvelous assistant, Alyssa, our general manager. And she's with the girls. The girls are 3 guinea pigs that we adopted from a gal here at the ranch who said she literally had too many guinea pigs at home. And they are a mom and 2 daughters. So let's see, that's the mom. Hi, Mama. This is Peppa Pig. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Peaches. Oh, I got it wrong. That's Mom. And this is Peaches. And there's Peppa. Peppa Pig. And second only to bunnies is the cuteness of, oops. Drop the phone. Is the cuteness of guinea pigs chewing. Nom nom nom. I don't know, is parsley your favorite snack? Seems to be very popular around here. And we have one more guinea pig to meet. Our most senior guinea pig. She's been doing her job for a long time. Here we go. Oops, sorry. This is Wang. And Wang visits a little bit differently. Wang, oh, the girls will visit in a pen like the bunnies, but Wang usually when she goes on visits, she gets put in a little pig pocket. Here, I'll show you one. So it's like a little fleece pocket, and then she's snuggly and feeling really secure, and little kids can hold her because, you know, guinea pigs can be really wiggly and they're not the easiest thing to hold sometimes. So this gives a kid a chance to hold and pat Wang while she's in her little pocket. Wang, are you being boring? Never boring. Never boring when you're having yummy food. Okay. So that is the pig and bunny room. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye. And goodbye, bunnies. Curry's hiding. Okay. Let's head over and see some of our goats. Here we go. These are the goats that we have had working as therapy goats for the last, 10 years? 9 years? This is Laverne. Laverne and her brother Leo. I'm gonna give Laverne another cracker quick before Leo gets here. Her brother Leo are Nigerian dwarf goats, and they are twins. Goats oftentimes have twins. One of the questions somebody had was, why do goats like to climb on things? And the only thing that we've come up with is, since they too are prey animals, meaning that out in the wild, they are primarily made to be dinner for somebody else. They like to get higher so that they can be safer. They also, as a herd, like to have one member of the herd. Oh, he's such a bully big brother. One member of the herd up a little higher, kind of acting as a lookout for everybody. Hello. Hi. Oh, I'm out of crackers. And I don't know why they love soda crackers so much. Now these two are now retired. They're retired because we have new hires. And the fact that they're retired doesn't really mean anything except that they won't be going out on visits working, but they still work for virtual visits, and they're gonna live here for the rest of their days. And here are the newest employees of Jasper Ridge Farm. This is Gus. Hi, Gus. You know your name, don't you? This is Gus, and that's Gizmo. Give him a little scratch behind his ear. There you go. Oh, and a little scratch right your chin. Oh, see, they're hoping for more food. They see Alyssa out there, and they're thinking, she might have food for us. Food is a very big deal to these guys right now because they're growing. But I'm also going to send in a hello, Gizmo. What a cutie you are. What a cutie you are. They're very friendly. They like people a lot. And they do climb on stuff. Let's go see if we can get them to climb on something since somebody asked. Come on. You want to come out and climb on your stuff? Show off your agility? Come on, Gus. Come on. You gonna get up there? Oh, come on. There we go. Jumped right up. Gizmo, you gonna show us anything interesting that you can do? You come over here? Come on. Oh, here we go. No, up the ramp, and over the bridge. Good goaty goats. Good goaty goats. So, as you can see, we're having a lot of fun with these guys right now. And they'll be ready to start work as soon as we're ready to go back to work after we can all start working normally again. Okay, bye guys. I'm being chased by baby goats. It's so awesome.
Well, I like the one sitting in your lap.
Okay. Let's go visit. Do you want to visit? Let's visit Kachina.
All the horses are in.
Okay. Kachina is one of our mini horses. And one of the questions one of you guys had was, how big are the mini horses? So Margaret can correct me. Margaret's in there. I measured Kachina as best I could, and it looks like she's about 10 hands, which is probably a little over 3 feet, maybe. Does that sound about right? Hi. Oh, and yes. Hi. And she's got beautiful blue eyes, just like Gus does. Look at these beautiful blue eyes. Hi, cutie. And she is awesome. She pulls a cart and goes on visits. She can go in, she goes through a metal detector at one of our visits. And there. Now you gotta get back a little so we can show you. Come here. But there she is. She's a little bigger than your average mini should be. Apparently, oh, that's why. Apparently, a mini can grow too big to be an official mini. Look, there we go. Just wanted to give you a chance to see her. And she's not saying hi to me so much. Oh, good girl. She's very pretty. So she was also certified through Pet Partners, so she can go pretty much anywhere, and she does, which is quite astounding. And let's go see Buster. Oh, they're saying to come back. Buster! Buster is a South Down baby doll sheep with a lot of shavings stuck to his beautiful wool. Hi, handsome. Hi. And he is probably our most zen animal. He's a good boy. He'll sit there and just hang with a kid. And he'll just give you these long, thoughtful looks with his beautiful little sheep eyes. Yeah. Hey, you want a good kiss? Buster's breed is also called the smiling sheep because, if I get him to turn sideways a little bit, he's more, there we go. You can see his lips curl up a little bit on the side. I want a profile picture. There we go, there we go. And so they're called the smiling sheep, which I think is really sweet and perfect for a therapy sheep. And Buster gets sheared 2 or 3 times a year. He's due for another one. And you can see all the dirt stays on the top, and then if you look inside, Buster's going, "Don't look at my wool. You're so silly. You're so silly." Hi. Okay, my friend. We'll come back another day. But their wool has a kind of oily substance on it called lanolin, which is put in a lot of hand creams and stuff. And so when the wind blows and the dust flies, a lot of dirt sticks to the very top. It keeps them waterproof if they were out in the wild. Bye, Buster. Love you. Okay, Yaya. Yaya. And Henry. So Yaya and Henry have a cool story. They are also mini horses. They're a little bit smaller than Kachina. Let me give you all these. Hi. I know. These were not meant for you. I'm sorry, baby girl. Gosh. So I had horse treats in my pocket, which was not fair. But Yaya was running wild with a herd of mini horses many years ago. She's talking a lot today. And when they were rescued, they were putting them up for adoption. So luckily, Jasper Ridge Farm got to adopt them. And she was only about 1.5 years old when she came over to us. And then surprise, surprise, she was pregnant. And Yaya is very, very smart. Yes, very, very smart. And learning, all the time. And very, very food oriented. And Yaya, so about 1 year later, gave us Henry. Henry! Oops. Hi, honey. Henry is our tiniest mini horse. I'll go give you a quick look through the other window. Hi, sweetie. Henry is our littlest mini. And oh my goodness, if you've never seen a baby mini horse, you haven't lived. Oh, he's all feisty. All feisty. He says, I'm a wild horse. I'm a wild stallion. You're not. And Henry does hold the honor of having the best horsetail, I think, on all of Webb Ranch property. It's just luxurious, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, Mr. Man. See you later. Bye. Thanks, Margaret. And then we have our standard size horse. This is Bert. And Bert was my horse, and he is now 24 years old. And he's in retirement. And he has learned how to make funny faces here at Jasper Ridge. He flaps his lips like that, or he makes a big smiley face like that. And that's a natural thing for horses to do, but he does it kind of a lot. The lip flapping thing, I have no idea. He's 24 years old. I've owned him most of his life, and he never did that until he started working at Jasper Ridge and found out that people laugh at it and give him treats for it. So lip flaps are the new thing. He's an ambassador. He'll just hang out with a crowd of kids and let them pat him and make faces for them, make them laugh. Mr. Bert. And Bert, horses are measured in hands. So if Kachina is roughly 10 hands, then probably Yaya is maybe a hand shorter. And then Henry's a little shorter than that. A hand is a unit of 4 inches. And so Bert is a 16 hand horse, which is a pretty average size. Okay. It's been fun, Bert. Let's go see some chickens. Here we go. Are we on LTE?
We're just filming.
We're just filming. We're so used to going live that I forgot. This is a special video edition. And here's the chicken house. Oh, and to answer questions about horse ages, Yaya is 12 and Henry is 10 and Kachina is 14. Hello, girls. As far as these guys go, we really don't know ages. But I gotta tell you, when it comes to therapy animals, you might not think of chickens as your first thought, but they're the best ones. They're just awesome. Yeah, come on up. They are always the biggest hit at our visits. And there we go. Hi, honey. Try to get close-ups of her. This one, I'm going to give it to Alyssa there. This girl is one of our 3 buff Orpingtons. That's a type of chicken. And they seem to be the most outgoing and friendly ones. We also have these 2 that are beautiful. They're called Americanas. They have kind of fluffy feathers on their cheeks, which is funny. Makes them look like they have puffy cheeks all the time. And the little one who makes the most noise of all of them is a bantam, meaning small chicken. Come on up. And then I think we're missing somebody, must be in the nesting box. Yeah, let's go see. Should we go find your friend? The other thing I love about chickens is they talk a lot. Like that. I know, you have a lot to say. Huh? Okay, let's go see. Let's go see if we can find our missing girl. There we go. They live in this little coop. It's a little shed, completely covered, so that at night they're safe. We have coyotes and the occasional mountain lion and hawks out here. So we want to make sure our girls are safe at night. This is Natalie. Natalie is busy at work, sleeping on her little, hopefully, egg. Yeah, hey Natalie. Somebody asked if all the animals get along, and they do pretty much. Nobody seems to mind the chickens. The goats will go up to horses and kind of like horses, but the baby goats are a little intimidated by them still. Laverne is madly in love with Bert, but don't tell anybody. And the sheep and the goats, everybody gets along, but they might play too hard sometimes, so we have to be careful. You have a message? You have a message you want to get out in the world? You? What's fun is sometimes on a visit, a kid will sit down and then she'll have like 4 chickens on their lap before you know it. They love to pile up on top of each other, which is really funny. Okay, that only leaves our manager, our cat Oreo. So needless to say, Oreo doesn't get to hang out with the chickens or the bunnies because Oreo's quite a good hunter and he might misunderstand. There's Leo soaking in the sun. Ah, here he is. Oreo is at his position at the front desk. We'd say he's the receptionist, but he's far more than that. Hey, Mr. O. I'm going to give a little hello to the folks at home. Oreo has been with Jasper Ridge Farm for 11 years. When we were at another location, he showed up one day and hung out. And after a few days, they found that his real home was down the street. So they gave him back to the owner, and he kept coming back to Jasper Ridge. So the owner said, "I have a feeling he's your cat." So he has been the boss of Jasper Ridge Farm. Yes, time for your daily massage. For a long time, and he has been amazing in that he has made 2 moves, 2 location changes with the farm, and always seems to settle right in, knows where he's supposed to be. Uh-ohs. He will sit here like this and accept pats for as long as you'll be willing to give them. And he also is very mellow with big groups of kids around him and lots of hands reaching out and patting him. And since we don't have kids coming to the farm these days, he's kind of missing that. Hi, baby. Aren't you? So he's also a very good hunter. Yes. Fierce jungle cat. So that's it. That's our little that's our tour of Jasper Ridge Farm. I'm trying to think if I got all your questions. How many eggs do the chickens lay every day? Well, it varies a lot from day to day, but we get about probably 8 to 12 a week. The buff Orpingtons lay really pretty tan ones, and the Americanas lay those pretty light blue ones, and the Bantam lays little tiny ones. So we get a little variety. I think I got all your questions. How old are the horses? How tall are the horses? Does everybody get along? They do.
Why do goats climb up on things? Because it keeps them safe in a herd. Also, tomorrow, I realize that tomorrow might not be tomorrow by the time you see this. Check out our website, www.jasperridgefarm.org, and there's a tab in there called Farm Academy, and we give little classes sometimes on different types of animals, on different types of our animals, and they're kind of fun. So you'll get all the info you need there on our website. And I think that's it. Thank you to Scott Wirtz for having us join you guys today. Bye-bye.